This system has got our best thermal performance, so it will be our top-of-the-line solution for a very challenging thermal application.
It's a very high thermal conductivity, so a lot of 5G type applications need that higher heat conductivity.
Chomerics is continuing the R&D development to increase the thermal conductivity of our gap filler pads and gels. Customers in all marketplaces are pushing the envelope on higher conductivity. What's driving this is the higher power of the chips that we're seeing, less room for fans and other air cooling areas. And so these high wattage pads and gels are a key cornerstone to all of our customers' needs. Our newest product is Gel 75. It has been a great addition and one of the higher thermal conductivity products on the market. It has that high conductivity while maintaining the conformability. One of the key things with Chomerics gels is the one component pre-cured, so there's no mixing, no settling, long shelf life. Ease of use is very, very good in these materials.
Gel 75 is our highest thermal conductivity gel that we're currently offering at Parker Chomerics. It is a 7.5 watt per meter K thermal gel. It has a very high filler level. And what this product does is provide the most amount of thermal conductivity while still being in a gel format. And what the gel format gets you is that it requires very low closure force to displace this material. And it can accommodate a broad deflection range. And I want to underline that point. If you're working on a mechanical design and it has a large gap between the heat sink and the chip, if you try and put a pad in there, the pad is going to have to be compressed quite a lot to accommodate the range necessary for that gap. When you do that, you put a lot of force on the chip. And if you put too much force on the chip, you could break a lead or damage the part. The gels came from this type of problem. We said we needed a low closure force, broad deflection range material because many of the times the gap between the heatsink and the chip is simply too much for a pad to accommodate. The gels can displace laterally, be very low closure force, and you don't have to worry about the potential for breaking a lead or damaging the part because the gels will displace on a very low load. This system has got our best thermal performance, so it will be our top-of-the-line solution for a very challenging thermal application.